There are various health benefits associated with aquarium ownership, including reduced stress and blood pressure. Freshwater aquariums are typically easier to maintain than saltwater aquariums, and their inhabitants are more tolerant of mistakes made by new owners. This video will discuss the most common aquarium fish species. Freshwater fish have their own amazing assortment of colorful and unusual species that bring vibrancy to your aquarium. Whether you're a novice or a seasoned aquarium owner, it's difficult not to fall in love with the unique characteristics of your freshwater fish. Let's take a look at the top 10 aquarium-worthy freshwater fish. Number 10. Platies. Platies, also known as the Platy fish, are a gorgeous kind of freshwater fish that can be found in a variety of vivid hues. They are normally calm fish that get along well with others and do well in groups. They are highly sociable, so you might notice them getting along with other fish like guppies and mollies. Platies must consume a variety of proteins and plant-based foods in order to survive, while they are also able to consume meat-based diets. Number 9. Zebra Danios. The zebra Danios is a low-maintenance, low-sized fish that normally develops to be between 5 and 7 centimeters in length, making it the ideal fish for beginners. They must always be kept in groups in order to prevent them from becoming overly stressed. This is necessary because they are schooling fish. They can also be fed the typical fish flake food, but we recommend adding some variety to their diet. Zebra Danios enjoy eating worms, insects, and crustaceans, but we recommend adding some variety to their diet. Because it is common for these fish animals to jump out of tanks, you should make sure that your tank is covered at all times. Number 8. Rainbowfish. Another type of fish that is not very common yet is simple to care for is the rainbowfish. When they are fully grown and mature into adults, only then do their brilliant colors begin to emerge. However, if you take the necessary precautions and care for it, the wait will be well worth it. These fish can be quite timid, yet even when around other fish in their tanks, they tend to remain friendly. Barbs and Tetras are able to coexist peacefully with rainbowfish. Number 7. Golden Dwarf Barbs. The golden dwarf barbs is a less common species of freshwater fish, however it is one that is recommended for first-time aquarium keepers. They can reach a length of up to 1.5 inches and are simple to identify due to the golden yellow coloring on their bodies and the black patterns they bear. The healthiest environment for golden dwarf barbs is one that also contains live plants. It's best to keep no more than 5 of these freshwater animals in one tank at a time. Number 6. Angelfish. Angelfish are popular species of freshwater fish that can reach a maximum length of 6 inches and a maximum height of 8 inches. They are members of the family Cichlidae. They are available in a wide range of colors and patterns, and they have a stunning appearance. They are able to consume plants as well as other creatures, such as small shrimp and insects, however it is important to keep them away from smaller fish. It is advisable to maintain angelfish in a tank where there are few other fish due to their potentially territorial and aggressive nature. Nevertheless, they are not nearly as aggressive as Betta fish. Number 5. Goldfish. Goldfish are a stunning kind of freshwater fish that, in their natural habitat, may reach a length of up to 14 inches and are quite popular among fish keepers. Some species of wild goldfish have been known to live as long as 25 years or even longer. Your goldfish will do best as a pet if they are kept in a tank that is at least 20 gallons in capacity. These fish require consistent care, such as the replacement of their water and filter once each week. There is a wide range of diversity in the forms, dimensions, hues, and breeds of goldfish. Number 4. Betta Fish. Another popular option for freshwater aquariums is the Betta fish, commonly called the Siamese fighting fish or simply the fighting fish. They typically come in a wide variety of stunning hues, and they have a laid-back demeanor, for the most part. Betta fish are notorious for their very possessive and combative demeanor toward other fish, particularly males of the same species. If your betta fish is calm enough, they should be okay living in a large tank with other types of fish. It is best to keep them separate from fish that have a similar appearance, such as guppies. In addition to this, you should put them in their own aquariums, complete with substrate and vegetation. Number 3. Mollies. Mollies are wonderful kind of freshwater fish that are simple to care for due to their small size and laid-back demeanor. Mollies can reach a length of approximately 3 to 4 inches and are omnivorous, which means that in addition to eating plants, they will also consume other creatures. The fact that, unlike most fish, this freshwater creature gives birth to its young is one of its most interesting characteristics. Just like guppies, mollies have a strong desire to procreate, therefore if you don't want your tank to be overrun with these gorgeous fish, you should only retain one of the sexes. Number 2. Guppies. Guppies are yet another species of fish that are great choices for first-time fish owners. They are quite simple to care for, but if the sexes aren't kept apart, they have a high propensity to quickly procreate with one another. They can be found in a variety of colors, with the males sporting more vivid patterns than the females. The vivacious personality of guppies and their ability to adjust to all types of water conditions are two of the reasons for their widespread popularity. It is essential to maintain a stable water temperature, between 10 and 29 degrees Celsius, or 50 to 84 degrees Fahrenheit, for them to be able to dwell contentedly in their tanks. Number 1. Neon Tetra. The neon tetra is a freshwater fish that is ideal for new owners because it is small, has a thin body, and is simple to care for. It is probably one of the most well-known species on this list. Neon tetra do not get very big, in fact, their maximum length is only 2.2 centimeters. They are noted for being a species that is exceptionally calm and peaceful. They do best when housed in groups and in tanks that have rocks, plants, and other accessories that provide them with places to hide. The blue bodies of neon tetra, which have a bright red stripe running through the middle of their bodies, make them very easy to spot. What are your thoughts on this video? Tell us in the comments down below. If you find this video helpful, like it and subscribe to our channel before leaving.